Hey my YouTube lovers, my name is Miss Chrissy Baby and I'm back again with another tutorial. Well, today I will be reviewing Miss Vivica A. Fox CapDo. Her name is CD-BRAY. She comes in the color 1B, and this is what the package looks like if you can see it here. So basically, I've been trying to find a wig that I can wear like when I'm going to the store or to just pick up something or on a quick run with the kids. So I said, hey, let me try a wig that comes with a cap and see how that works. Seems like it'll be comfortable. So let me go ahead and unbox her. So this is what Miss CapDo looks like when she comes straight out of the bag. There's a head on top. There's some braids at the back here. Also, when unboxing, I noticed that there are some diamond cubic that are free that comes with it. Some styling accessories, if you can see it here. And I'm assuming maybe you can glue these onto the cap to make it fancy or some type of design here. Remove my current unit and put the new unit on. Miss CD-BRAY does not come with an adjustable strap or any combs. So if you want to adjust it in any type of way, you'll have to just adjust the strap that comes on the back of the cap. Okay, I have her on. I have kind of a big head and she is definitely not big head friendly. However, I feel if you do put a few pins in to try to hold her down, she'll be secure enough. But like I said, guys, basically I was looking for a wig that I could just go to the store, run errands, do simple stuff. You know how we moms are when you have kids and you just need to get out, go get something fast. Even if you're not a mom, if you want to go work out, go to the gym, hang out with friends, and you just don't feel like doing your hair, I feel that this will be the perfect everyday wig for you. So I have her on here. I have her how I want it. So let me go ahead and turn around to the back so you guys can see what the back looks like. Side. This is the back. Let me see. But I'm loving this wig, guys. I mean, this is an everyday look. You could just go somewhere, handle business, come back home. You can even go to the mall with this without even trying to do anything to your hair. So if you haven't gotten this wig, remember this wig is called CD-BRAY and she's from the Vivica A. Fox hair collection wig. And again, this is what the stock cards look like. But overall, I give this wig about a 4 on a scale of 1 through 5. It's not the best because it's not big head friendly. But like I said, you can use some bobby pins or some hairpins to try to hold her in from the sides and the back to make sure she's secure. And so ladies and guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Subscribe, like, and share as always. To Miss Chrissy, baby. Get to know me and I can get to know you. If you would like to see me do more hair videos or specific hair tutorials, feel free to let me know. Overall, I'm loving this wig, guys. It is everything and more, especially when you're on the run and you're just simply needing something to throw on and go. I feel that CD-BRAY is approximately, let's see, 24 to 26 inches long. But however, guys, I'm loving her. So go ahead and get you a CD-BRAY and come back to my next video. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Be safe. Bye-bye.